Hi friends, did you know different types of inheritance in Python? So there are 5 types of inheritance in Python. Single inheritance, multi-level, hierarchical, multiple and hybrid inheritance. Let me explain each one by one for you. So first one is single inheritance. In single inheritance, one class is derived from another class. So here son is derived from father class, and this object class is the default class from which each class in Python is derived. So this is single inheritance. Then we have multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a class is derived from another derived class. So here we have grandson class, and it is derived from son class, which is already derived from father class. So this is multi-level inheritance. Then we have hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, one or many class is derived from a single class. So here son and daughter and another son class is derived from a single father class. So this is hierarchical inheritance. Then we have multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, one class is derived from one or more parent classes. So here child class is derived from parent 1 and parent 2. Then we have hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is the mixture of all the remaining inheritance. So here this is one example of hybrid inheritance. Here a class D is derived from A, B, C. So this is multiple inheritance. There F is derived from E. This is single inheritance, and F is also derived from E and D. Then it is multi-level inheritance. And we have this hierarchical inheritance. One or more class is derived from a single class. So these are different types of inheritance in Python. Thank you.